Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about Pokayoki. What is Pokayoki? So Pokayoki is one of very effective method to reduce rework and defect in any manufacturing system or even in services also. So we will start with the definition of the Pokayoki. Dear friend, Pokayoki is a Japanese term which means mistake proofing. It is the combination of two Japanese words poka and yoke. Poka means mistakes, yoka means avoid. So this is one of the very important strategy in human error prevention, whether we are in manufacturing or whether we are in providing the services to the customer. This concept of Pokayoki, it was developed by Mr. Shijo Shingo, who was from a senior management person from Toyota Motors as a tool to achieve zero defects. So process of zero defects is also known as mistake proofing or fail safe or fool proofing. So by taking over repetitive tasks or action carried out by humans and machines which are dependent on vigilance or memory. So Shijo Shingo this applied the Pokayoki concept first time in year 1960. So there was a switch assembly. So operator forget to place the spring inside the switch assembly, and it made difficult very defect. Where is the location of that particular switch, in which car, where we don't have the spring in that particular switch. So what he did, he made a placeholder for the spring. So first operator is going to prepare two spring, he is going to place two spring in the placeholder, then he is going to remove one spring from the place order, then insert in the switch assembly. So if a spring left in the placeholder after assembly of two switches, it means in one of the switch operator forget to place the spring or insert the spring. So he could take the action immediately with minimum efforts and time consumed. So Shijiwo distinguished between the concept of inevitable human mistakes and defects in the production. So defects are going to occur when there is a mistake which is allowed to reach to the customer. So this aim of Pokayoki is to design the process in such a way we could able to prevent or detect the errors or mistakes. It may be the human error, it may be the mechanical error to reach to the customer. Customer may be our internal customer or external customer. So this is highly effective quality control tool. It stems from recognizing that making mistake is part of operators or human being or manpower used in manufacturing or in any service sector. So this is Pokayoki going to remove or greatly reduce the opportunities for us to make the mistakes when we are working. So it can make process run more and more consistently, more and more smoothly. It can be seen in all the sector of human endeavor. It is involved in many aspects of our day-to-day life also. So by using this concept, we can improve the yield of the process, efficiency of the process, and over and above reduction in the defect rate. So some examples from our real world of Pokayoki are here for better understanding of the Pokayoki. So Pokayoki, as per the mistake proofing philosophy, there are 10 type of human errors. So these errors may be converted into the quality defects. So another advantage of the Pokayoki device, it removes the blaming culture. If there is a no effect of any error or mistake made by the operator, or if we are stopping to manpower or operator from making the mistake using some devices, some systems, so there will be good relation among the employees and the managers. The reason being is, whenever any person, any human being or operator, if they make a mistake, we used to penalize them in one way or other way. So Pokayoki theory recognized there is a flaw in the process, not in the people, not in the human beings. So, if we want to make no mistake, there are three important attributes of zero defect quality system. One is source inspection. So, we check condition, basic condition required for part manufacturing or to provide the services. Another is 100% inspection at the source itself. So, no part can be made which is NG, not as per the requirement. And third is immediate action. So, whenever there is a abnormality detected, any error or mistake detected, operation is going to be stopped and operation required to be stopped, so that root cause can be identified using brainstorming and discussion among the team, so that corrective action or permanent countermeasure could be taken to eliminate the cause of that error or mistake. So, quality can only be ensured if we have an immediate feedback mechanism at the source of the defect. So, dear friend, Pokayoki, if we summarize the thing or recap the thing, Pokayoki distinguish between defect and mistake. So, if a defect is what? Defect is the result of an error or mistake. So, Pokayoki theory says to eliminate the defect at the source. So, we need to remove any possibility of a mistake occurring or alerting the operator immediately. So, dear friend, please remember, error prevention is better than the defect detection. Errors are the cause, defects are the results, and defects can be prevented if errors are prevented from happening. Errors are predicted or discovered or detected and corrected. So, mistake proofing philosophy is recognized. People sometimes forget and make errors. We use some of the common sense ideas and method in both our process as well as in the design of the product to eliminate human and mechanical errors. This concept is widely used in safety related or accident prevention related areas. So, same approach can be applied in our manufacturing sector. So, we need to have a zero tolerance for scrap, for any rejection and rework. So, there are three ways of preventing the mistake. One is shut down the process, another one is second is control to prevent an error going ahead or mistake occurring, and third one is warning or alarm is sent to indicate an error may occur. So, Pokayoki systems can be further classified into contact type, fixed value type, motion stops. So, dear friend, there are some examples of Pokayoki devices. We are knowingly, unknowingly using some of the Pokayoki devices. They act as the Pokayoki device like guide pin, error detections and alarms, limit switch, sensors, vision system, visual controls, counters and timers, and checklist. Checklist is also a type of Pokayoki device. So, dear friend, thank you very much for your kind listening. So, if you like the video, don't forget to press the like icon. Thank you.